In 2009, Romaine Virgo got his big breakthrough with I Wanna Go Home, better known as When the Rain Is Fall. Nah, sing no more. Let's get the backstory behind that hit in our Fiwi Culture segment.
The rain is falling, my baby is all alone.
The Rain is Falling was written on the blocks of Edna Manley College in, I think, late 2009. I got this rhythm from Darwin Brown, Vikings production. And one day I was on dorm, just relaxing and just, build a vibe, and the rain started to fall. And I guess that was the inspiration for the song.
Are you feeling me? 'Cause baby girl, I'm feeling you. I can't wait no more.
Well, as I said, Darwin Brown from Vikings production, Omar Brown, Vikings production, Pete Music, One Umbrella. They are the ones who really and truly produced that song. It was a good vibe in the studio, to be honest with you, recording the song. I remember it was the same time that, auto-tune was becoming popular, and most people are using it on the song. We had some problems. I didn't want auto-tune on the song. And the team decided that they wanted auto-tune on the song. So actually, I enjoy performing Rain is Falling, but I don't enjoy listening to Rain is Falling. But it does show you the difference. Fans always like things that the artists don't like. It's as I say, it's one of the popular ones, especially here in Jamaica. The fans love it, and it's one of those songs. I enjoy performing, but whenever I go back and listen to the recording, I'm like, wow, this auto-tune thing. But beautiful song.
'Cause when I'm with you, I don't need nobody else. The rain is falling.
And just like that, we're at the end of another episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your host, Naldo Addy, signing out from my alma mater, the University of Technology, Jamaica. Take care of yourself. I'm out. The grand coronation of Miss UTech 2025 goes down on March 29. But first, we check out the... Come again. Bro, about 3 weeks. Come again, bro. Number 1, 3 weeks straight. Do you think he's still there? Let's find out.